Yo, what's up everyone? I woke up to a crazy surprise this morning. I logged into my Fiverr account and boom, I'm a level 2 seller now. I was completely blown away. It feels amazing to have my hard work recognized, especially when I wasn't even expecting it. This journey has been a wild ride, full of ups and downs, late nights, and tons of learning. But let me tell you, this moment right here makes it all worth it. This isn't just about a badge or a title, it's about the incredible feeling of accomplishment and validation. It proves that if you put in the effort, stay consistent, and never give up, amazing things can happen. And trust me, I'm living proof. I started on Fiverr just like many of you, with a dream and a whole lot of hustle. I poured my heart and soul into delivering top-notch service, exceeding expectations, and building real connections with my clients. But honestly, I couldn't have done it without the incredible support of this amazing community. You guys rock. Your constant encouragement, feedback, and belief in my work have been instrumental in my growth. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. You guys are the real MVPs. This achievement is as much yours as it is mine.